Well,
You don't know enough.
well,
Give the youths them due we want.
na 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 na.
But I come with a push and shoot a little. Pull a little kete kete.
Na na
What you
na
feel
na
like?
na.
Set it straight, man.
It's better to be conscious, be true to yourself. Love brings fruit to the soul. I walk the learn and go, and heaven only knows how so my seeds to go. Things may be hopeless sometimes, but only Rastafari keep I strength and free my mind. If I could ask a question to those who only wanna break my stride, ask them why they only wanna stand in my way. Yes, they try to push me down and lock me out, because they want me to be a servant to the most. So why they always wanna stand in my way?
What a question, man.
Them not see you in a family, no child. Them set them traps and snares, so them won't get you out. Stop all this violence, what's going on?
Fussing and the fighting.
Let's just praise the Most High and live in love.
Living love, living love.
Africa awaits its creator. Let us educate the boys and girls. Oh, yeah. Stop all this violence, what's going on?
Fussing and the fighting.
And let's just praise the Most High and live in love.
Living love, living love.
Africa awaits its creator. Let us educate them both
Together, that's how it should be. Hey, put all difference aside and let that love abide. Yeah, yeah. Prepare yourself for tomorrow. Trample the shame and pride. Hey, you don't want to be off track at no time. Yeah. So if it's time you need to know yourself, you are gonna get more time. Hey, I do believe love gonna save the day. I do believe love gonna let the children lead the way. Do believe love gonna save the people. Do believe love gonna
Mr. Babylon, Mr. Fit go down, go down, go down, evaporate, go down, go down, go down, put down when you want meditate, go down, go down, go down, evaporate, go down, go down, listen me son, I ain't bubbling off, you go down. Where is your heart? How do you feel? Do you have a conscience? How do you sleep when you're the reason why mothers weep? You erase their families like life is cheap. Blood quenches your thirst, flesh opens your appetite. You get that joy from not doing right. What a bloody day, what a bloody night. And your works is not clean within your sight. I say down, go down, go down, evaporate. I say go down, go down, go down. I want to meditate.
Jah, give I strength to overcome trials and them trouble, yeah. Give I strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. Jah, give I strength to overcome. Give I the knowledge and the wisdom. Give I strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. Suddenly, friends become your enemies. You don't know who to trust. Mass man, I stress you out and I nag you every day. and say, let him be crucified. You know, if I say to overcome,
I thought it was
fires and the trouble, yeah. If I say to overcome, yeah, Lord, I can't take the pain no more. I'm leaving. It's hard to believe you're so deceiving. My heart is filled with sorrow and grieving. Do try to change my mind and leaving. Lord, you came into my life just like an angel. You made me feel satisfied. I thought all was well. As soon as you realized that I was responding, then you tried to victimize and became so demanding. You almost shattered my world and scattered my dreams, but Jah has secured my soul so I can love again. But I can't take the pain no more. I'm leaving. It's hard to believe you're so deceiving. My heart is filled with sorrow and grief.
Just the Lords of Lords.
No child change my
Just find it like and then show his tender mercy and full my cup and run it over. Please don't curse me. Purge and cleanse from them system that's so dirty. Well, young girls, know yourself, don't get too flirty. Well, chosen are few, you got to be worthy. Always praising Jah. No if, no buts, no maybe. We all gonna be judged, even a little baby. Hail the Most High, I pray thee. He's the King of Kings. Jah is the Lord of Lords. He's the conqueror, ruler of us all. He's the King of Kings. Jah is the Lord of Lords. He's the conqueror, ruler of us all. The ruler of us all. Where all these children don't be ungodly or be disobedient. Jack of this IBC. Well, just be patient. He's the essence of faith. Just be patient. Melchizedek way. So convenient. Jah is the conqueror. He's got the treatment. He's the King of Kings. Jah is the Lord of Lords. He's the conqueror, ruler of us all. He's the King of Kings. Jah is the Lord of Lords. He's the conqueror, ruler of us all. Show us his tender mercy. Well, full my cup and run it over. Please don't curse me. Purge and cleanse from them system that's so dirty. Young girls, know yourself, don't get flirty. Well, chosen are few, you got to be worthy. Always praising Jah. No if, no buts, no maybe. We gonna be judging with a little baby. Hail the Most High, I say pray thee. He's the King